What is better than a hearty beef stew on a cold, wet, miserable day? Right, one that's done in a slow cooker so you don't have to stand in front of the stove all day. Welcome to Walsey's Food Coma. I'm Walsey. This is my kitchen. We are diving in further into my beef series. Come hang out with me and let's make this thing together. Start off by patting the beef dry with paper towels and season with salt and pepper. You're going to need to heat a high smoke point oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat until just smoking. Now I use tallow because whenever I break down a bunch of beef, I take the fat and I render it down into tallow, and we really like to use it. If you want more details, comment tallow and I can send it over to you. Go ahead and brown all 6 sides of all of the pieces of beef. It's going to take about 8 minutes. Once you're done, you're going to transfer it to your slow cooker. Once the beef is out of the pan, put 2 onions that you've finely chopped into that pan. You're going to cook it until softened and lightly browned. It's going to take about 10 minutes. Keep stirring it around to prevent it from burning because burnt onion tastes terrible. There's no recovering from that. I know I say this a lot, but this smells so good. There's something about beef and onions that just hits. Once it's finished browning, stir in 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 6 tablespoons of tomato paste, and a teaspoon of freshly minced thyme. Keep stirring and cook until it's fragrant. This should take about a minute. After that, slowly whisk in 2 cups of beef broth and 1/2 cup of red wine, scraping up any brown bits and smoothing out any of the lumps. I used a Pinot Noir, but you want something that's a little bit lighter. Once you've transferred that to your slow cooker, bring it back to your machine and stir in the potatoes, carrots, and bay leaf. You're going to cover that and cook it until the beef is fork tender. It'll take 9 to 10 hours on low or 6 to 7 hours on high. Once it's complete, make sure to salt and pepper to taste. It's been 7 hours on high, and this smells incredible. Just look how hearty this is. Perfect for a cold, miserable, rainy day. So we just top off with some fresh flat leaf parsley, and then we can serve. Oh, look at that. Yum! Oh my goodness, look at this. The meat is so tender, it just breaks up. Oh, it's really hot. So hot. Oh, too hot. Oh my god. You guys gotta try this. Thanks for cooking with me. Please like, follow, and subscribe to Walsey's Food Coma for the next episode in the beef series.